When is it time to stop analyzing the past in regards to tracking when you have gained weight in the past and why, etc.? Sometimes I think I need to chuck all that data and just live day to day. Okay. So it should only take one assessment. Like I don't want you sitting there nightly like skimming over the information. Like it should be and really I'm going to give you a guys a general thing. It's because you overate in some capacity. Either you were overeating because you were binging, you were overeating because you really weren't aware of your maintenance calories and you were just generally overshooting it. There was a distinct reason why your calories were over and why you were gaining weight. Maybe you got injured and you stopped being physically active, and so your calorie needs went down, but you were still eating at the same level, kind of like what a college student might do. So there's a reason. Once you've identified that reason, there's no point in just obsessing on the past. You now have that information. So what you should be saying with it is, if I find myself in this situation again, here's what I'm going to do different. Okay, so if I got injured, and I know the last time I got injured, I was eating at my same calorie level, but I was gaining all this weight. Why do I not want to repeat that? So what am I going to do next time I get injured? I'm just going to cut my calories back a little bit, maybe 300, 500, whatever from what I was at, and I'm going to eat lower because I know that that inactivity led to a weight gain the last time. Or if you find out, well, I used to have a binge eating issue and you know that's why you had gained all that weight, then what you want to do is know what kind of armor you need to put on daily, whether it's hitting a certain protein target, whether it's minimizing stress, whether it's making sure you're eating every couple hours, whether it's an emotional thing that hadn't been dealt with and you're getting therapy. Like there should be a corrective piece to this. Like when I say reflect on your past, I mean reflect on it, learn from it, make a plan so it doesn't happen again and move on. Like we don't want to stay like caught in the past just thinking about it, thinking about it, thinking about it because that doesn't serve you at all. What serves you is to reflect, learn, make a plan for the next time. Say, okay, this is what I learned. This is what I'm going to do differently next time because I've seen this play out once before. And then that way you're kind of moving yourself forward, coming out smarter, better educated, wiser. So that way you don't find yourself in that same position. But yeah, I would never want someone just to be looming over their past mistakes and just holding on to those and really focusing on those because that doesn't help you. And plus, you're not enjoying the here and now. But if you learn a valuable lesson, like the worst thing to me is to have that where you did all the weight regain, you did all, and you never paid any attention whatsoever. And you find yourself right back in that same position and it all happens again. Like, why would we want to do that to ourselves? That's the part that I probably drives me a little batty because we've done all of these things so many times and we're not stopping and saying, hey, wait a minute, what caused that? Let me learn from it. Let me have a plan for next time and be more vigilantly aware of when that next time happens, not become so busy and preoccupied that I don't notice, oh, wait, I got injured. This usually causes weight gain. So I need to be kind of proactive about this, right? So that's how I would tell you to think about that.